Okay, hop on. Don't be boring. Hey everybody, welcome. In this video, we'll be looking at Gimkit's newest game mode, Snowbrawl. There are a few options when you first set up the game. You can select if you're playing individuals or if you're playing on teams. If you do teams, it'll split everybody into two different teams. They play against each other. When you first jump into the game, the first thing that you're going to want to do is answer a bunch of questions, and you'll get snowballs for every question that you answer correctly. And then once you've done that, you'll get to run around and shoot people, kind of like I'm about to do right here. So at the very bottom of the screen, you'll pick the snowball gun and then go around and aim and shoot with your mouse clicker. The game is way easier on using a traditional mouse than using a mouse pad. So if your students have them, they might want to pull them out and use them because it definitely makes it easier. There aren't any upgrades or anything like that as of right now. You just run out of snowballs and you have to answer some more questions to get some more snowballs, and whichever team eliminates the most players wins at the end. After you're knocked out with the snowballs, you do respawn and you can answer questions. If you're already alive and playing and then you start answering questions, you can still get knocked out. But if that happens when you respawn and you're still answering questions, you're kind of like a hazy person and you cannot be shot while that's happening. So it's not like you can keep getting taken out while you're answering questions. That's pretty much the game. It has some really good, fun Gimkit holiday music that you can enjoy while you're playing it. I'll let this game go a little bit longer so you can kind of see what the gameplay is like. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next video. Hasta luego.